guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do a fall inspired look, and I just did pretty much a very smoky eye look with cut crease. And if you guys are interested in watching this, please continue watching. So I already did my brows and prepped my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take this brown eyeshadow from my Morphe 35D palette and apply this all over my lid. This is going to be my base, and I'm just going to gently blend it up all the way to my brow bone. While you're doing this, make sure that you don't put too much pressure on your brush. This is going to help you blend your eyeshadow better. To darken my eyes, I'm going to take this shade from my Morphe palette and apply this onto the outer corners, and I'm just going to gently blend it out. And whatever product that you have left on the brush, you're just going to go ahead and blend it towards the center of your lid. Next, I'm going to create a cut crease using my concealer. For this part, I usually like to have my eyes open, and what I do is apply a few dots above my natural lid, and I'm just going to connect them together. Once I am done, I'm just going to apply concealer all over my lid and blend it out. Once I'm done with my cut crease, I'm going to take my translucent powder and set it. This is going to prevent it from creasing. And taking the first shade of eyeshadow that I used in the beginning, I'm going to apply this onto the center of my lid and then just blend it outwards. Next, taking the same dark brown eyeshadow, I'm going to darken up the outer corners, and I'm just going to blend this diagonally. This is going to create a nice smoky effect for our wing liner. To define my cut crease, I'm going to take a small flat brush with a champagne shimmer and apply that right underneath where I did the cut crease. Now, I'm not going to apply it all over my lid, just directly to that area and gently blend it in. For this look, I wanted a smoked out wing, so I'm going to take my small flat brush with some black eyeshadow and apply that to the center of my lid, and then I'm just going to go ahead and drag it out, creating a soft wing effect. And then taking a makeup wipe, I'm just going to clean up the bottom. We're not going to do the bottom eyeshadow yet. We're going to save that for last. I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face makeup, and then I'll come back to it. And for my lashes, I'm wearing Legoo's A14 Falsies. So before we get started with the face, I'm going to prep my skin, and I'm just going to take my Clinique moisturizing lotion and apply this all over my face. And then I'm going to be taking my Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer and apply this around my T-zone area. And because I have dark circles and dark areas around my mouth, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange and apply it over those areas. This is going to help cancel out those dark tones so that when you apply on your foundation, it'll look even. To conceal and highlight, I'm taking my Graftobian HD Cream Warm Palette in number 1, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, on my nose bridge, forehead, and chin areas. And then I'm just going to blend everything out with my sponge, but we're just going to leave the nose area alone just because I'm going to blend that out with my round brush instead. For my contour, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut and apply that to the hollows of my cheek, on the side of my nose bridge, and temples. And to blend the contour, I'm going to be using my Real Technique blending brush, and as you can see, it's not blending because I kind of left it on for too long. So I'm going to take my sponge and whatever product that was left on there, I'm going to use that to help blend out the contour. And to set everything, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder and apply that to the areas that I highlighted. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to blend everything out with a brush. So because my camera was dying and the sun is going down, I decided to do my blush and highlight and lipstick off camera, and I'm truly sorry for that, but yeah, my camera's about to die, so I need to hurry up with this, whole look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow on the bottom, and then that'll be all for today's tutorial. And for the bottom, I'm just applying the same 2 shadow that I used earlier, and I'm going in with the darker one, then blending it out with the lighter shade. And you're just going to apply this about 3/4 in. For my waterline, I'm using my LA Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner in the shade Brown, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners and bring it in about 3/4 in. Once I'm done, I'm just going to apply a mascara, and this is going to be the final look. And then we are done with the look. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next. Bye, guys.